How to use Discord in a team collaboration setting. Discord offers many tools for effective team collaboration beyond gaming. To use it for teamwork, create a server for your group and structure channels for different projects and functions. Use text channels for updates and discussions, voice channels for meetings, and pin important messages for quick reference. You can also share files and integrate tools like Trello or Google Drive using bots. Custom roles help manage permissions and keep your team organized. Set clear rules and guidelines in a dedicated channel to keep communication professional and efficient. Are you using Discord for teamwork? Share your best tips or challenges in the comments below. Discord provides a flexible workspace for teams to communicate, share, and collaborate easily. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.